In this video, we will be creating a document from Java using the command line via the Tornado document generation engine. I've already installed and configured Tornado so that it's running on port 8080. And under the status tab, you can confirm Tornado is running. We'll be using this URL or endpoint when we're rendering. And the template we'll be using in this video, we'll use the welcome template.doc. From our website, a little further down the page, under the Tornado resources, you'll find a link to some code samples. We're going to have a look at the Java render using JSON. So let's download that file and add it to a directory on our machine. Just going to make a directory to store the classes in, compile the example, and run it. And you'll notice the code is connecting to the render service, passing this JSON data, and has produced a file called mywelcome.doc. This is just normal Microsoft Word document that's been created based on the welcome template. Let's have a quick look at the code together. And one of the first things you'll notice is there's the render endpoint that we're connecting to. This is where we set the port. And a little further down is where we specify the name of the output file, mywelcome.doc. If we change this to PDF, DocMosis and Tornado looks at this file extension to determine the type of file we'll be creating. Let's also have a look at down here. We're just slowly building up the string data that we pass in, and let's change the data as well. Save that. Recompile and run again. You see we've created a PDF this time, which is now using the data that we just changed. One last thing I'd like to show you. Go back to the Tornado server. We can open the template that we're using, make some changes in there, and I'm going to save that in the Tornado templates directory, and I'm going to call it welcome template 2. If we refresh on the Tornado server, we'll see that Tornado has picked up that new template, and from our code, let's tell the code to use that new template as well. If we recompile and run, we'll see it's using the new message or new data, and it's also using the new template we just created. And we'll see the change in our final document that this PDF has been created using the template with the changes in font and color that we just made. Hopefully that's got you started and gives you a basis for exploring the sample code and generating documents using Tornado. Thanks for watching.